Hi, I'm Danielle Valiente with Atmosphere Salon, and our topic is how to make a small bun look fuller. If your bun or your chignon is smaller because maybe you have a finer hair texture and you want to make it look fuller, there's a couple easy tips and tricks to do to achieve that. I'm going to show you what to do to create a fuller looking chignon or bun. After you've placed your hair into a ponytail on top of the head, at the high point of the head, you're going to take sections of the hair and do some rouging. And the rouging creates a bit of foundation for you to work off of. So it's almost like creating a cushion, which is what you need to really help make that look fuller. Now, if you don't want such a back comb, if you don't really want to put a lot of back combing into your hair, you can also do it with your fingers, like such. But the back combing really helps to hold that cushion into place. So all we're doing is building up the hair so that it fattens it up. So now when we twist it around, we actually have a foundation that plumps up the chignon. So smoothing out slightly, you don't want to take out too much of the back combing. And then I just start twisting and wrapping the hair around. And you don't have to wrap it tight. You want it to be a little bit looser. And when you secure the pin, just place the opening of the pin into the hair, push it away from the chignon and then towards the chignon. Again, we don't need a lot of pins to get this to stay. Just a couple is plenty. If you want it a little bit more casual and lived in, you can just pinch around to create the look of it just being a little bit more weathered. And that is how to make a small bun look fuller.